Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle. And today we're going to be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. Wow, look at this table. Absolutely insane. I swear I need more details on how they made this because that was just breathtaking. And then we have another DIY featuring those placemats. I have been seeing these a lot this week. They're such a pretty design too. Like you can play around with these and really create a lot of fun projects. Oh, it looks like she's making a lantern. Oh, this is a nice simplistic lantern design too. And it is definitely lantern season, so try that one out. Make a jar or get a jar, put a placemat in it, and get a little flicker light, and there you go. You got a nice summer lantern. Very easy project. Alright, so next up, it looks like we have someone with some photo frames here. It looks like they're doing the mirror hack. Now there's many different ways you can do this particular project. I've seen where they paint the wall and then add the mirrors to it. I feel like that would be the most cost-effective way. So she's gluing all those photo frames to the piece of wood with the mirror attached as well. Oh, it broke. Oh no. That really sucks, man. I wonder how many did she have break? Because it looks like quite a few. So she finally finished, and there is the end result. She has like the standing mirror, which is probably why she went about doing it the way that she did with a piece of wood. But that came out really nice. And I'm sure it's much cheaper than actually buying that kind of mirror because they can be pretty pricey. So next up, it looks like someone is doing a vase design here. Now right now this looks pretty lumpy and bumpy, so hopefully they can smooth this out. Still looking a little lumpy and bumpy. Okay, so far away it looks okay. Oh, look at this side table design. Oh, I really like the color on this. Let's see how this goes. So it looks like they are using some wooden bowls for this shape. And you could use this for that first DIY that we saw for that table. These bowls are really cute. And the way that they added the spray paint is just like this really pretty glossy spear. Oh, and it's a storage piece. Oh, I love this. Very nice design. Very cute. And then we have this wood art design piece. Now this is a really cool concept as well. You can spray paint this if you wanted to. I think it would look really cool in black. I'm like picturing that in my head. Your measurements though for doing this project would definitely have to be on point. That would be the hardest aspect of this one. This would also look really pretty in gold. Yeah, that looks phenomenal. Very cool. Wow. My wife does not like the pineapple art. Yeah, that's pretty cheesy. So now he's gonna do that IKEA hack, but he is going to be doing it in more of the simplistic version, or more the simplistic way. So he basically just painted the wall and then added the mirrors. This is the easiest way to do this method, at least that I've managed to see. Very cool. And then we have someone, looks like they're just spray painting some vases. Going in and adding some texture. They make kind of like a mud, substance here. I want to say mud pudding, but kind of reminds me of making mud pies, like when you're a kid. And this is just to give the vase some texture, give it more of that like aged vibe. Very cool. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.